Why isn't your home selling? These are the 3 biggest reasons. Hi, I'm Jason Dalbey, team lead with the Denver Group, and we're going to answer that question. So reason number 1 is priced. You must price your home right the first time, okay? As you position your home for the marketplace, take relevant comps into consideration. And by relevant, I mean same size, same style, same finish level. All of those things matter. Buyers do their own research, and if they think your home is priced too high for the area, they're going to move on. The right price attracts the right buyer. So make sure to price it right the first time. Reason number 2 is presentation. Was effort made to prepare the home well for market? So new paint, proper staging, new carpet potentially, lighting fixtures. These minor updates can make a huge difference when it comes to comparing one home to another. A little decluttering, fresh paint, and great photos can make a huge difference. And reason number 3 is marketing. A home that's priced right and prepared well can sit a while if nobody knows it's for sale. So make sure that the proper social media posts, email campaigns, open houses, broker opens are all being done. Bottom line, the right price, great presentation, and excellent marketing can make all the difference in the world. If you have questions about your unique situation, please reach out. We at the Denver Group make every effort to prepare your home well, price it right, and do as much marketing as we possibly can. Thank you very much.